Today we're taking a look at the Bestview S7II, the newest Bestview field monitor for your 4K DSLR. As with the previous model, the native resolution of the S7II is 1920 by 1200 pixels, and it packs identical features and button layouts as the Bestview S7. It features an HDMI input and output, headphone output, micro USB port, 12-volt DC power input, and the new feature of the S7II, SDI Input and Outputs. It also still comes with a sun visor to cut out glare when filming in sunny conditions. Alright, let's take a look at some of its features. Alright, so today I've got my camera plugged in here, facing outdoors. And I've got it right into the Bestview S7, and we're going to go ahead and go through the settings and features of it right now. So to start here, I'm going to click on Menu, and right off the bat we're in the Assistant section. We've got these different features here. There's monochrome, so if you arrow over, it'll go into that section. Arrow over one more time to go into the place to turn it on and off. And you've got gray, red, green, blue, and off. To go back, you can hit the menu button and it'll go back. Arrow down again, false color, on and off. And we've got peaking, low, high, and off. And then the peak color, you can change it from red, green, or blue. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on green. Going down, we have zebras, and this is for when you're in danger of overexposing. You can set this up 70 IRE 100 or off. And going down further, we got the histogram, which shows up down here. You can have it on or off. I use the histogram built into my camera normally, so I'm going to leave that off. Volume bar over here, which is quite handy. I do run Magic Lantern on my Canon, so I've got a volume bar already, so I'm going to go ahead and leave that off. And going back, got camera mode. Takes a second to switch over. Camera mode on, camera mode off. So going back again, heading down to make. We have a center mark we can turn on and off. I'm going to leave it off. Safe border, and you can change the color of the border. I'll show you here in just a moment. Different percentages. Make ratio 185 and off. And make color. This is where you change it. You've got green, blue, white, and black, and red. For me, green seems to show up the best and look the best, so I'm going to leave it on there. And these marks obviously do not show up in any of the recordings. This is just what you're seeing on the monitor itself. Down, transparency, 1, 2, 3, and off. Oops, went back too far. So image, got video ratio, and again, this isn't going to affect your final recording. This is just what you're seeing here on screen. So I leave mine to 16 to 10. Scan mode, underscan, overscan. Then we got pixel to pixel. You can zoom, flip your horizontal, flip vertical if you're mounting the monitor in different positions. Freeze, noise reduction, which I generally leave off, and that's it for that setting. Going down to color settings, I'm not going to go through all these, but you can adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, the hue, sharpness, backlight, and a color temp. Or you can go into custom and color temp and then set your red, blue, and green values individually based on what you want. See here. Shortcut, so you can assign shortcut features to every button on the front, essentially. Well, at least the up, down, left, right, and F1, 2, 3, and source. No, not source. So those 4 and those 3 buttons you can assign custom functions to, which comes in super handy, so you don't have to go into the settings and change everything up like that. Other settings, got language, transparency, on-screen display, duration, and then the volume, reset, update, and return. And there's the exit button right there. So that's pretty much it. This is definitely a nice monitor for the money. 4K. It's got the new, well, now it's got the SDI input and output on the back, which is definitely handy. HDMI input and output. Well, thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, give me a like. And if you haven't already, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.